for the capital letter. Look for the capital letter. Good morning, Madanven.
Yes, this.
This, very good, Manukita. This.
This.
Next one.
Next one. Next time this.
This over.
Next one. అది కదమ్మా నెక్స్ట్ వన్ దిస్ అయిపోయింది
This
ఓకే
over. This is over. Next one.
దిస్ వన్ చూడు ఇక్కడ దిస్
Pen
రాసావు
is this my. What will be the correct answer?
Yes,
This I have finished. Next one.
yes.
Very good. IS is. This is.
My.
Very good. My. PEN. What is PEN?
N
And pen.
N pen. You need a supporter to say all those phonic words. This is my pen. Very good, Nukshita. But you have to work out, Nukshita. Don't hesitate to say the answer, okay? Okay, next is Tanvin. Tanvin, ready to say the answer?
Good morning,
Sorry. Yeah, good morning, Ma. Tell me the right answer, Ma. I. Okay. I. Will. Very good. I will.
Go.
Go. Well done, Tanvin. Go.
ఇది టీవు
Two.
I will go to.
I will go to.
What is PARK? Sound of P. Park. The sound of P is pa. AR is R. K sound is K. Park. Okay? And end what have to do?
சொல்லு
Full stop.
Full stop. Very good. Thank you so much, Tanvin. Next is Rohita. Rohita.
Amma,
Rohita. Rohita is not there.
Yes, ma'am. Rohita is there.
Why don't you answer, Rohita?
Unmute చేయకుండా
Okay, answer. First, you have to read this.
Okay.
Capital letter ఏమన్నా?
No, first you have to read. You leave her, Rohita's mom. What is AM? Next. What is this? This one.
Bye.
Small eye.
లేదు ఇంకా తింటాను.
What is this
Small
one?
eye.
What is this word?
చెప్పలేదు మరి. GI.
GIRL.
What is GARL? Girl. Now come on.
Girl.
Say the correct sentence.
Alright.
ఆల్ రైట్ కాదు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు.
Mm.
అమ్మకి నాలుగు సార్లు చేసి ఎత్తలేదు.
Sentence starts with a capital letter. Good morning, Ma Karthikeyan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma Dharmika. I am. What is here pending? I over, am over. Here we have a and a girl. What will be the answer? I am.
I am.
ఐ ఆమ్ ఏ సారీ నెక్స్ట్ చదువు.
Arnika, say the answer, ma. What will be the answer?
ఐ ఆమ్ ఏ
I'm a.
వాట్ హూ ఆర్ యు? ఐ ఆమ్ ఏ
I'm a girl.
Arnika.
చెప్పు గట్టిగా
I
చెప్పు.
am a girl.
మ్యామ్ రోహిత చెప్పింది మ్యామ్.
Okay, okay. Okay, next is Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Okay. Now come on, read this.
S-E-E. O.
C.
The.
S-E-E is C.
C. O. The. B. O. S. B. E.
I.
I.
What will be the answer?
I but
See a bus I. That is the sentence. See a bus I. What will be the right answer?
I.
I. Very good.
H. O.
See. I see
I see bus.
a bus or only bus?
I see the bus.
I see a bus. Very good, ma. Thank you. And in the end, we keep a full stop. Okay. Thank you so much. Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready, Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am. Has. Toy. He.
What will be the right answer?
சொல்லு.
Her boy. Her boy.
பார்த்து சொல்லு.
Has a toy he.
He.
What will be the right answer? Is it right? Has a toy he.
தப்பு தானே?
How will you arrange it?
அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணு. எது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரும்?
A sentence starts with a capital letter. Look for the capital letter.
வெரி குட். சொல்லு. எது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரும்?
He.
He. Okay.
has.
Has.
Has. Okay. He has
Toy.
படி.
a. Next one. Finally.
Have toy.
He has a
Toy. Very good, Masudar. He has a toy. And finally, what I have to keep here?
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Vikram. Full stop.
சத்தமா
Stop.
Okay, Siddharth.
Stop.
Okay, Sarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Next sentence, okay?
Okay. Play. I. With.
What is this?
With. There. I.
1 minute, ma.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன இருக்கு சொல்லு.
I.
Okay, I
Play.
play
With.
with. I play with
My.
my. Very good.
There.
Dad. Good. Well done, Tarnika. I play with my dad. Well done.
I play with my dad.
Very good. One I forgot here. What did I forget here?
There.
Dad. What did I forget here?
Stop.
Very good. Well done, Tarnika. Okay, next is Kavyani. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on.
W
Arrange this.
N W
W is here, huh? How can you say that?
M
M,
M Y
M, Y, my.
my
What will be the next word?
N A M
Hmm. Hmm.
my
Name. And name is name. My name
name is
is. Whose name is
my
that?
name is Kaviarni.
Find out that's your name. It took this much of time for you to find out that it's your name. My name is Kaviarni.
Fish to man.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kaviarni. Next, it's going to be who else? Who else has joined? Let me see. Nightik is there. 1 minute. Let me see who are all there. Nightik. Nightik, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Arrange. I. Very good. I. Eva. Okay. Am. Is it right?
No.
No. Then tell me what is the right answer.
I
I am. Okay. I am. I am
am
a. I am a.
G
G. O.
good.
Good. Okay. Very good. I am a good.
I am a good
I am a good. What is BOY?
boy.
Boy. Correct. Next, what I have to do?
Next one, last one,
What I have to do? Full stop. Very good. I am a good boy. Okay. Next, who is going to say the next sentence? Children, tell me. Pranita is also there. Okay, Pranita. Vishank. Okay, first Pranita. Okay. Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
L-I-K-A
Hmm. What is LIKE?
like it. Look.
Like.
Like.
LOOK only look. LIKE is like.
Like,
I
Like.
like
I like. You're telling me the answer. Very good, Pranita.
like
I like
to
to.
I
Very good.
like
அடுத்தது படி
PLAY. Nobody should help her, please. PLAY. What is PLAY?
play.
Play. Very good. Try on your own, Pranita. You know how to do it. Okay. I like to play. Very good, Pranita.
Okay.
Very good. And thank you, Pranita. Next is Vishank.
Ma'am,
Next. Come on, read it.
M Y my B
Very good.
O O K
Hmm.
book.
Book. Okay. Very good.
S.
I.
I. S.
IS என்னது?
Yes.
This.
Is.
Is.
This.
My book is this. What will be the right answer?
First என்ன வரும்?
Rearrange it. Come on.
சொல்லுங்க. This.
Capital.
Oh, capital. This. Okay. This
This
This.
is
is
M.
M.
Y. My.
My. What is my, ma? This is. What is my?
M. Y.
This is my.
This
What
is
is my?
my.
This is my
This is my book.
book. Well
This is
done.
my.
Book.
This is
Now
my.
last what I have to keep here.
This is my.
Full stop. Sentence முடிஞ்சோனே என்ன வைக்கணும்?
Finish a sentence.
Full stop.
How I have to end the sentence?
Full stop.
Full stop. Very good, ma, Vishang. Full stop. Well done. Thank you so much, Vishang. Okay, next, who else is there? Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik, ready? Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, okay?
G. O. T. O. The T is not.
First, what will become?
The W.
W-E.
W. E.
V. And this is school, okay? Go to the school.
Go to this school.
What will be the right answer?
Go to school. Go to school.
Go to school. Is it go to school? A sentence starts with a.
Sentence started.
A sentence starts with a.
Letter.
Then what will be the beginning word?
E.
V. Very good. V. Only when you focus, I am going to ask you, Ritvik. If you are not focusing, please don't call me. V.
Look at the screen and tell me.
V.
Tell me. Tell to ma'am.
Shall I ask anyone else, Ritvik?
Ma'am, sit down, ma'am. Go to school.
Go to school. We go to school. Ending is full stop. Okay. Thank you so much, Ritvik. Okay, next, who else didn't get the chance? Ritvik, sorry, Vivan. Vivan, ready? Ready, I'll ask you, Ready. Vivan.
Paul is mine red.
Come on. What will be the answer?
Paul is mine red.
Come again.
Read again.
Paul
Louder, ma. Vivan, louder.
The sentence will start with
letter M.
Letter M. Sentence starts with letter M.
I wanted to go by myself, okay?
Sentence starts with capital letter. What is the capital letter here?
Letter M.
M is a letter of the word.
What is MY?
And why mine?
Okay, my. My.
Next in the word. My.
Mine.
What is next?
Vivan.
Focus panna.
Shall I ask Vedant? Call Vedant. I'll ask him. He will answer properly.
Okay.
Call him.
Ivan, what is the next word? Focus panni sollu.
My.
Mine.
என்ன வேர்ட் வரும்? Ball is red. எது என்ன வேர்ட்
Ball
வரும்?
is red.
What will be the next word, ma? B-A-L-L, ball. My ball
My ball is red.
is, sorry, is
Is
red.
red.
The sentence ends with a
Stop.
full stop. Focus, Vivan. Okay, next is Zeddy. Zeddy.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Come on. Come on. Fast, smart. Time up already. Come on, Zeddy. 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 Zeddy.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is P-L-A-Y? What is P-L-A-Y?
Yellow.
Play.
Play.
What is W-A-T-H?
WITH.
What is W-A-T-H?
WITH.
What is it? I'm not able to hear you properly. Zeddy. With. This is with. Okay, next one. I. B-A-L-L. B-A-L-L. I can't hear you, Zeddy. Children, who is willing to say this answer?
I like ball. I'll play like ball.
Very good. I play
I will play.
with ball. I play with ball. Okay. Thank you so much, ma. Okay, children. Today's Kids Anthem is by Siddharth. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Everyone.
Yaar Fanayai, Yar wings, my button in the sky. Yar wings, leaves Fanay, you define me, my button in the sky. A grandmoney,
Today I will play.
Today I
on my night, I said I see you, my button in the sky.
Yes, very good morning, everyone. Very good morning. Okay, now today we are going to do good morning. Very good morning, everyone. Position words. Position words. Bring a chair. Position words. In the chair. Sit in the chair. Sit in the chair. Stand up on the chair. Stand behind the chair. And now go under the chair. Under. If you are not able to go under, leave it. Okay, stand in front of the chair. In front of.
In front of her.
In front of. Yeah, very good. Well done, children. Now, next activity is going to be a roly-poly ride. Ready? Ready for roly-poly? Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Right, right, right. roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, front, front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, Rohita, why don't you do the action? Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, fat, fat, fat. Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly poly, open, open, open. Roly poly, close, close, close. Roly poly, slowly, slowly, slowly. Roly poly, fast, fast, fast. Okay, now all of you are going to fetch a ball and a plastic water bottle. Okay, and the activity what you are going to do is you are going to keep the ball down on the floor and you are going to place the water bottle far away from you, and then when you kick the ball, that ball has to go and it has to strike that water bottle and the water bottle should fall down. Okay, understood? When you kick the ball should straight away go to the bottle and the bottle should fall down. Okay, strike the water bottle with your ball. Place the water bottle little bit far. Yes. Even if you have water in it, no issues. Even if it is empty water bottle, no issues. You don't have a water bottle, you can use any jar, plastic jar. It will not break. Bring your ball. Slowly focus and kick the ball so that the bottle
Ma'am,
should
small
fall
ball
down.
or football, ma'am?
Yeah, one by one shall we see?
Ma'am, small ball or football, ma'am?
Any ball, but that ball has to go and it has to strike that object and it has to fall down. If it is a small plastic ball, it will not hit that bottle and the bottle will not fall down.
Yeah, ma'am.
Anything else you can use instead of that. Okay, first is Danvin. Come on, Danvin, do the activity.
Ma'am, I'm going to get it, ma'am. Just give me 5 minutes.
Okay, Hashini.
Yes, ma'am. Try.
Focus and hit the ball. Come on. What? Towards the bottle. Try children, others try. Oh, that much closer also you are not able to kick, Hashni. Slowly kick the ball. Very good. Hashni, good. Next is Kartikeyan.
Adnan.
Come on. What? Slowly. Slowly. Kick it back. Don't fall down. Kick the ball. How will you kick the ball with your foot? Come on. Kick it. Night. Very good, Ma Kartikeyan. Night, ready? Come on, do it, Night. Kick the ball with your leg, Night. Unmute yourself and do the activity, Night. Where are you? Ready? Night, I'm not able to see you, Night. Wait, ma. Very good, Night. Well done. Kavyani. Thank you so much, Night. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Focus and kick your ball.
Pass it, honey.
Little bit faster.
Fast. Anna.
Wow, good, very good. Very good. Pranita. Pranita.
Wait, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, Danny.
Yeah, I'll call you, ma. Wait, ma'am. Okay, Dhanvin, finish it.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma. You
wait.
told me to wait. That's why I'm asking Dhanvin to do the activity. Mute yourself.
Okay.
Mute yourself. Good. Dhanvin, do the activity, ma. Unmute yourself and do it, Dhanvin. Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, do the activity. What? Kick the ball. Hey, not like that. Faster. Kick the ball faster.
Faster one. Ma'am,
Have you seen football?
I go only,
How
ma'am.
they play football? They'll kick the ball, no? Like that, you have to kick it. But you're rolling the ball, ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Kick the ball, Dhanvin. It's very easy. Kick the ball. With your right leg. Come on. Your full strength, kick the ball. Show him how to do it, Dhanvin's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See how your mama is doing. See? With full strength. It seems like you are hungry for 3 days. Huh? To the camera itself. Huh? Very good. Fell down. No, what? One more time. Right,
Bottle is not falling down, ma'am.
Once you fall down, no, you call me and tell me, okay? Fell down finally.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank God. Next is Rohita.
Daraida.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chi.
Very nice, Tarnika.
One more time.
Very
Rohita.
good, Rohita. Well done, Rohita. Tarnika. See children how Tarnika is doing. Very good, Rohita. Come on, Tarnika.
Rohita, one more time, and ma'am. Okay.
You do. I am watching you. You can do how many times you want. I can see everyone in the screen.
Chill.
Tarnika. Yeah, very good, Rohita. Unmute yourself, ma. Tarnika, say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So come on, do. Too far, open the door and go outside. Do it. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Stand and fall down, no? Come on. Ready, steady, go. Very good. Okay, next is Nukshita. Very good,
ma'am.
Nukshita.
I think it is. In the workout.
Nukshita. Others, move yourself to the Nukshita. Good, Nukshita. Very good. Well done, Nukshita. Next is Siddharth.
Thank you,
Siddharth.
ma'am.
Well, Siddharth, finish it.
சீக்கிரம் பால் எடுத்துட்டோம்
What?
பண்றப்பா ஏய் ஃபோக்கஸ்
No. Even more closer if you come, it will be easy for you to kick it. Huh? What are you doing to that? Next is Ritvik. Ritvik. Yes, ma'am, Ritvik. Do it. And I asked you to kick the water bottle. You're kicking the laptop, huh? If the laptop breaks, I I am not responsible for anything, parents.
No, no.
Oh, Ritvik, it's too dangerous. What is it, Ritvik? No. Try. Vivan. Next is Vivan. Ritvik, be careful, Ritvik. Maybe water bottle in some other place, Ritvik. Mom. Very good, Ritvik. Finally. Very good. Come on, Vivan.
Ma, do it one
Come
more.
on. I didn't see, no? What? How much of salt you have yet in the bottle? No.
Vedant, don't laugh. So one more
Hey,
time.
everyone are laughing. Come on, do it fast. I will not accept it. Come on, do it. Good job. Oh, yeah, and all. See how you are doing it. Try. All the best. Good luck. Okay, next is Nishank. Nishank is there.
Ball, ma'am. I don't have a ball, ma'am.
You don't have a ball. What shall we do? Take a towel, throw it on the water bottle. Then the water bottle is going to fall down. Take a towel, come on.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on.
Thambi towel
We
edi.
have several ideas, no? What is there if you don't have a ball?
Cut it.
But be careful with your laptop. Hey, too many books are there. I love all those books. Colorful books. Very nice. Come on. Ready, steady, go. Well done, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Vishant. Well, anyone else? Delhi, anyone? Pranita, you didn't do it.
Yeah,
Ready?
Adi, bad lady.
Steady. And very good, Pranita. Steady. Very good, Steady. Come on. Do it, Steady. Ready? Why this girl is not at all answering?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Ready? Is there any problem with your audio? Ready, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Why I am not able to hear Zeddy's voice?
Zeri is not telling, ma'am. That's why.
Yeah, okay.
Okay,
Do it,
ma'am.
Manjuli.
Yeah, ma'am. Right karo. Right.
That much slowly, yeah. Pick it faster.
George.
Well done, huh? Very good, Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Children attendance, Darshika, Dev Krish, Danvin,
Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan, Parnas, Hashini,
Here I am, ma'am.
Janavi, absent. Kavyarni,
Yes, ma'am.
Kartikeyan,
Here I am,
Naitek,
ma'am. Yes,
Nukshita,
ma'am.
Nukshita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Pranita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Rohita,
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik, Nitya, Satvika, too much of absentees today. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Tarnika,
Here I am, ma'am.
Vishang,
Yes, ma'am.
Ivan,
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyut, Zeddy,
Ready?
Here I am, ma'am.
Lakshana, Lakshana. Okay, children, now come on, all of you take your English. Yeah, good ma, Lakshana, you didn't do the activity. Do the activity. Where is your ball and water bottle? Others, take your English notebook, write today's date. Ma'am is going to present you some pictures. You are going to write the names of it, okay? Lakshana, finish. Come on. Take your English notebook, everyone. Write today's date.
It's pets, ma'am.
English notebook, Makana. No worksheet today. English notebook. Take your English notebook. Write today's date. Today's date is 2/3/23 dash 3 dash 2121. And the pictures are here. You have to find the initial sound of this picture. First picture. What is the first picture? Pot. Okay, what will be the initial sound? Pot. Pot. Come on, write it. Write down in your notebook. Dash ot ot. Pot. And what's the second one?
Hot.
Hot. Hot. What will you write? What is the letter you write for her? Very good. Hot. And the third one, Harshni, what is it? Very good, Harshni. Jug. Well done. And the fourth one, Kartikeyan. Bug. Bug. UG is ug. Bug. B means one letter. That you have to write. Okay. Next is Nightek.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? What picture is this? What picture is it, ma? What is that? Zip. What will you write here? Ip is given. IP, ip. Z, ip, zip. Z means what you'll write? Have you ever heard a bee buzz? What will you write? Essa. Will you write here? Louder. Z. Very good. Z, ip, zip. Z you will write.
ZIP.
The next picture. Rukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. Rat. Okay, what will you write? At is already given. At rat. Yes, ma? Very good. Come on, write down. Once you finish it, tell me. I'll change the slide. All the 6 words, finish, huh? Jug, bug, zip, rat. Shall we move on to the next slide? Everyone? Finish Kartikeyan?
No, ma'am.
Come on. Ritvik, finish.
Lighting, ma'am.
Do it fast, ma.
Ma'am.
Good. Keep it with you. Finally, we'll correct it, okay?
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Let others finish, ma. Siddharth, wait. Like this, only in the assessment also, the questions will be given, children. The picture will be given. You have to find out the initial letter, okay?
Finished, ma'am.
Finished, everyone? Ritvik, finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Now the next one. Dash in. In. See the picture. What will you write? Write it. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is Kavyani?
Pin.
Huh?
Pin.
Pin. What will you write here?
E.
Ah,
N.
very good. Pa in pin. Very good. Next is Tarnika.
And man.
Very good, Tarnika. And man. Very good. Vishank.
சொல்லுங்க மேம். Come here. Come here.
What picture is it, Vishank?
Lips.
Huh?
Lips.
Ma'am,
Did I
this
ask you that one? This one.
This one, ma. This one.
Tap.
Tap. What will be the initial sound? App is already given. What you have to write in the blank here?
சொல்லுங்க.
Not.
Ta, app, tap.
The app tap.
Ta means what letter you will write?
விஷாங்க அது எடுத்து. 1 minute, ma'am. Ta means what letter? Come here. Ta means what letter?
T.
Very good. Next is Ritvik. Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What picture is it?
What is this? What is this?
Lips.
Lip. What will you write here? Lip is given. Lip.
What will you write? Look
What will
at
you
me.
write?
Here, look here. Look here.
What will you write in the blank, ma?
Ma'am.
Ritvik.
L.
Yamma.
L.
L. Very good. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am. Chappu.
Yes, ma'am.
What picture is it?
What is this? Which fruit, mother? Chudu.
Fires.
Huh?
That's
Fig.
big.
Fig. So what will you write here? Fig means what will you write? It is given. What is missing here?
Pig.
What will you write?
Which letter?
Pig.
Adhe.
Initial sound.
Initial letter.
Fig.
Fire. Pig.
What
Pand.
letter you will write?
చెప్పుమా నీకు గేమ్స్ ఎక్కువైపోయినాయి చెప్పు
For egg, fig. What will you write?
Fire. Pig.
పా అంటే ఏం రాస్తావు
Pa.
అంటే ఏం రాస్తావు లెటర్
P.
Pia.
చెప్పు మనకి
P.
P. Is it pig? Okay, next is Pranita. Tell me, Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
ఫర్ ఫిష్ ఒకటే కాదు.
Pig. For egg, pig. What do you write?
Mall.
This one I'm asking, ma. This one. Can't you see the arrow here? Pig. What do you write? What is the initial letter that you have to write here? For egg, pig. What will you write?
Pig.
Not pig.
P.
Pig.
I.
Pia.
G.
Is that picture pig?
Yes. F. B. I. G. Pig.
Bigger. Is it big? Fur. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. I got a hold, the air came out. F-I-G, pig.
మ్యామ్ రోహిత ఫా ఫా ఎఫ్ అంటే ఫిష్.
They are very playful nowadays. I don't know what to say.
ఫిష్ ఫా అంటే ఫిష్ అంటుంది మ్యామ్. ఎఫ్ అంటే ఫిష్ ఓన్లీ షూట్.
Okay, next picture. Ready?
Small little.
Ready?
What is this?
Fig.
This one.
Ready? This picture. Here. What picture is it? What picture is it? Is it a temple? Beach, park? Huh?
Next.
Sorry?
In 11.
Mall, ma'am, mall.
Mall. Okay, it's a mall. Okay, all is given. All mall. Means what you'll write?
Miss it.
All mall. Means what you'll write? Very good, Daddy. Come on, finish it. Finished, everyone?
I am finished, ma'am.
You finished, sir? Very good. Now get it corrected from your parents. Come on, get it corrected.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good. Get correction from your parents.
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ పెన్సిల్.
I want to join a teddy bear.
Finished, everyone? Get it corrected.
Finished, ma'am.
Everything correct, huh?
Yes.
Very good, Siddharth. Get 5 stars from your mom.
Yes. Okay,
Those
ma'am.
that finished correctly get 5 stars, okay? Everyone, correctly have written? He himself is going to stick the stars, huh? Okay. Tanvin get 5 stars. Ashni, how you have written? Correct, everyone, everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Dharnika get 5 stars. Tanvin get 5 stars. Good. 12 out of 12. Very good, Dharnika. Huh? One wrong, ah? One wrong, Dhanvin?
Yes, ma'am.
What you made? What mistake you made? Dhanvin is not allowed to make mistakes. Why, Dhanvin?
He don't have big fruit, ma'am, so he didn't write that.
Yeah, pig. First, that's what I was asking for. What is the sound of letter for fur? Okay, next, Naitik, how many marks did you get? How many marks did you get? What? 4? Huh? Naitik. What, Naitik?
Ma'am, he was not writing.
Why?
Why, Vara?
Stay. You are not supposed to leave this session. You have to stay, finish it, and then only you are going to leave. Understood?
Ma'am.
Understood, Naitik? Don't leave. Stay. Again, how many marks did you get?
Ma'am, 9 correct.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Pranita, good. 9 marks you got. Correct all those 3 mistakes. Very good.
12 mark, ma'am.
Good mark, Kartikeyan. Ritvik, how many marks did you get?
Ritvik, tell how many marks you get.
All correct, ma'am.
All correct. Good. Nukshita,
Yes, ma'am.
everything correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. Those have got all full marks. Very good. Those have made mistakes. Please correct your mistakes. Write it for 3 times. Suppose you have written it wrongly, write that word 3 times and correct it in the place. Okay? Very good, and thank you so much for your cooperation, children. I want Nitik to stay. Okay? That